For your next camping trip or outdoors event that you're going to have, this is a perfect way to actually take all in one, which is the kitchen built into the actual unit itself. Something that's all compact. Everything's in within itself. And we're going to show you guys how to put it together and what else is available. Now, if you guys notice, this is a little box that's I'm gonna put the measurements on it so you guys can know it does have some weight because everything's compact in there. It has wheels on the bottom of the actual unit, so you could actually make it making your life easier by moving it around from place to place. All right, so if you're outdoors and you need maybe a compact area to cook and to prepare your meals, this is perfect. Comes with the burner here, on and off switch, and also a lighting ignition system. Now, these were a little tricky to put in. I'm going to show you guys how to put these in together, but this is pretty much a table. Now, this is adjustable. If you want to put your lamp in here so you can highlight everything, maybe a portable lamp, you can do that and light it up, the whole thing. First of all, there is a kickstand for this one that you have to set up, all right? And this is silicone, all right? So you could have hot stuff or cold stuff in here. And if you guys notice, this is one of the actual portals that we have in here, the modules that we set up, and this could be tied down with actually strings too, similar to how this one's tied up. All right, so that's an option. They do give you another prep table here in the back, also fold out and removable too, just like this one. Inside here, plenty of space for your pots and pans and extra maybe trash too, and you can also lock it in for any kind of animals or containment of food. All right, these tables are optional to set up in here, and like I said, this module here that we have in here for lighting, you can move it wherever you have those threads in here. There's one here and there's another one here. To set up the actual module in here, you would have to take this down the bottom. You have to start like this. You have to lift up a little bit, all right? It has to lock in place and lock it in place, right? Now, if you guys can see this coming out, let me show you guys how it is. So you put the modules in here. This is the end module, right? And I'm gonna show you the kitchen one, the actual burner one. All right, on this case here, this is what I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna lift it up again. Is the part that goes into on the bottom of here, and then the top is for actually this part right here. The longer ones are for the actual burner, all right? Just remember that. Putting the whole thing back together, it's simple. Make sure you don't lose any of the items. Put them on here. That's it right there. Once you lock it in place, there's a push button in here. It extends, so if you're missing now and you don't have enough space in your camping ground or enough space on your vehicle, this is a perfect compact little kitchen to go.